Hi guys, today I am going to be doing a holiday makeup look. I know like Christmas is right around the corner, but you also can wear this look for New Year's, just change the colors out a bit. It's very bold, very glamorous, and I don't know if everyone's going to be into it, especially if you're hanging around just a house with your family, because I don't think many people are going to be spending the holidays with extended family this year. But if you really want to get all glammed up because it's just the holidays, this is the perfect look for you. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video.
So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just taking a piece of tape to create a straight edge for the eyeshadow look. And then after that, I'm going to be taking a red eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eye and then slowly dragging it in and blending it out as I go. And then as I'm blending it, I'm taking more and more of red eyeshadow and just adding it to the outer corner of my eye to make it more deep and more intense. And then once I am done with that, I'm going to be taking a small pencil brush and taking a green eyeshadow and adding that to the inner corner and then slowly dragging it up to kind of create a blend with the red, but not all the way because we're going to be adding another color there, but I want to get as close as I can to the red. As you can see now, I'm taking a black eyeshadow in the middle and just tapping it on there and then slowly blending the red and the green and the black together, but just kind of keeping it right in the middle so it doesn't get rid of those colors completely. And then as I'm going through and blending all those colors together, I'm going to slowly go back in with the red and the green and amplify the colors a bit, and then taking it and blending it into the black so we still don't lose those colors and the black's still there, but everything's just gonna be fully blended. And then once I have everything blended, I'm just going to be taking a deeper red shade to the outer corner and slowly blending that into the actual red that we had before. And then once we have all of our colors blended to our perfection, you just want to go ahead and remove that tape so we can get started on the cut crease. And then to create this cut crease, I just went ahead and took a flat top brush and covered that completely with concealer, and then slowly taking it and tapping it onto the eye and then slowly working up and creating that crease. You don't want to take too much concealer, or you don't want to like press it in too much because you don't want those colors to blend. So I'm just going to be taking that and covering my eye, and you can watch as I go along. So once we have that cut crease created out of the concealer, I'm going to be going in with a gold eyeshadow. And when I'm applying this eyeshadow, I want to make sure my brush is completely coated. And I'm tapping it into the concealer and then re-tapping back into the pan. This will prevent any blending of the concealer and everything mixing together. I just want to make sure that brush is always coated every time it touches the concealer. And then when I'm applying this gold, you'll see that I'm leaving a little bit of the concealer out. And that is because we're going to be going back in with the red and the green to blend it all together. So just taking that green eyeshadow and just tapping it into the inner corner and then slowly dragging it into the gold. I like doing this technique because you'll get the shimmers from the gold mixing in with the green, so it leaves everything seamless and it doesn't look like there's any harsh lines. And then same thing for the red eyeshadow. We're just going to take that, apply it to the outer corner, and just tap that in, blend it a little bit with the gold so we have everything super smooth and seamless. And then now I'm just taking a little bit of that black eyeshadow to the top of the cut crease to kind of eliminate the super harsh line of the concealer and blending it back into the red and the green. And then in between these takes, I did go ahead and apply some foundation and concealer. And then now I'm just taking a little bit of bronzer and just bronzing up my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose to give a little bit of color and dimension into my face. And then I'm going to be taking a little bit of a blush and applying that to my cheekbones and my nose as well. And then after that, I'm just going in with a little bit of highlighter. I'm just applying it to my cheekbones, my nose, and any high points of my face that I would like a little bit of extra shine. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to be basically creating the same thing that we did on the upper part of my eyelid. So I'm just taking a little bit of the green eyeshadow and just adding that to the inner corner of my eye and then slowly bringing that out. And then going in with the red on the opposite side of my eye and dragging that in to meet the green. And then for the middle of the under eye, I'm just going back in with that gold eyeshadow and just tapping it in there, making sure the green and the red have no harsh lines. And then once I am done with that, I'm just going to be going in with a black pencil liner and just applying that to my waterline. And then moving back onto the upper lash line, I am going to be going in with a black liquid liner. I want to make sure this line is kind of thin so you can still see the eyeshadow look, but I am going to be slowly winging it out at the same time. And now moving on to the eyelashes, I am going in with the lash curler and curling my eyelashes and applying mascara to the top and bottom lashes. And in between takes, I did go ahead and apply some false lashes on this as well. And then just to finish off the eye look, I am going in with a white shimmer shade and applying that to my inner corner just to brighten up the eyes a bit. And then just to complete the look, I did decide to go in with a neutral pink lip. So I'm just applying that to my lips.
So this is the finished look right here, and if you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up and let me know what kind of other makeup tutorials you want to see in the comments down below. I'm happy to do like a New Year's look, a birthday look, whatever you guys might want to see. Yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and then also press that subscribe button down below so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.